Hi, it's Boyd Butler from Great Legal Marketing, and today I'd like to talk about the fact that you need to be completely unique if you're to get through all the clutter of all the other law firms who are all competing for the same prospects and the same clients as you are. You need to have a unique buying point because power is now out there in the customer's hands. And the reason for this is that clutter is there because I can find out anything I want with just one click. You know, you've got to cut through the Google clutter. You've got to make me think, okay, I want to talk to this firm and learn more about this firm. Because if I can find out everything one click, there's so much competition. And I want something that's going to make my buying choice really easy. You know, it's your uniqueness that makes my choice easy. Why should I buy from you? Well, you've got to have something pretty unique to say to me, because everyone and everything is saying the same thing. You know, we are excellent. We are very friendly, we are experts. Well, you've got to prove it, because when you get statements like this on probably 50 or 60% of law firms' websites, then you know there's lots and lots of people saying exactly the same thing, making it very difficult for me to choose. I mean, come on, you listen to your clients, and you've got traditional values, and you're proactive and innovative, and you service your clients. Well, that's a given. That's what every law firm does. That's why you get paid. So why should I do business with you? What is it about you that's different? You know, big companies have brands, and people understand what they're about. People understand that you get a pizza from Domino's in 30 minutes or less, or people understand that FedEx stands for it's got to be there the next day, and it positively has to be there. They know what they're saying. Your buying point can't be because we're no worse than anybody else. That's just not good enough reason. You've got to be different. No, really different. You've got to be able to answer the question, how is the only that? You've got to do it with lying. So to come up with your uniqueness, how can you actually do that? What's the framework? Well, you can use something like this. You can use these questions and pause the video here and write the questions down, or come back to, but you need to be able to answer these questions in just a few words, just 4 or 5 words, or put them all together, and you'll come up with a great statement and a great idea of why you're going to be different. Okay, this is just the beginning of a whole marketing and branding plan, but this will make you understand of where you're positioning yourself. What's your category? How are you different? Who are your customers? Where they're located? And when do they want you? And why are you important? So let's give you an example from a non-law firm. Let's take Tom's Shoes. Who are they, Tom's Shoes? Well, have a look online, you'll see them after this. But what's the category? They sell shoes. How are they different? Well, you buy one pair as a customer and they give a pair to poor kids who have no shoes. They're different. Who are the customers? Well, the socially conscious people who want to do some good when they're spending money. They're located globally and they can do business 24/7 online. And why are they important? Well, they change kids' lives. So really, this gives you an idea of how you can answer your questions, and your challenge, if you want to win, is to come up with your own unique business story about your business so that you can answer the "our is the only that," because that's what you've got to do to position yourself and get through the clutter. Because when you're unique, you make it easy for me to buy from you, and you also make it easy for me to tell others about you, because there's a reason to talk about you. You might want to read a few books on things like this, and a couple I recommend are Purple Cow by Seth Godin and Zag by Marty Neumeier. That's Boyd, Great Legal Marketing. Hopefully I'll help you to become different and to cut through the clutter. If you've got any questions, feel free to email me, boyd@greatlegalmarketing.co.uk, or visit the website. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.